How to save Instagram story video on your gallery. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your story option at the top left corner of the screen. So here you'll be able to see your story video. Now if you want to save the Instagram story video on your gallery, simply tap on the story and then here you can see the more section at the bottom right. So as you select on that, you can see the option of save video over here. So simply tap on save video and here it will save your video without your music. So simply tap on save. And as you tap on save, it will be saved to your gallery without the audio. However, if you want to save it with the audio, you can download any other third-party app and download it via any other apps as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.